Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to you all in today's third online session of chapter number 11. And as we know already, the name of our chapter number 11 is Tables and Sets. In our previous session, we see some sums regarding the multiplication. Then we see repetitive addition. Now today we are going to see and study the table multiplication, and after that we see how to do the multiplication. So let us begin our session. Let us start the table multiplication. Do you know what is table multiplication? In this, one table is given, and in this table they were given some number in rows as well as in the column. Now what do you want to do? You have to find out the multiplication. So in this blank boxes, you have to write down the multiplication of rows and columns. Now, how do you do the multiplication of rows and column? So see here, if you want to do the multiplication in this box, whose answer you have to write down? So first you have to do the multiplication of 6 and 1. So 6 ones are 6. So you have to write down 6 in this box. Now do the multiplication 6 and 2. So 6 2s are 12. Now in this box, whose multiplication we have to do? So the number which is in the row and the number which is in the column, that you have to do the multiplication. So the numbers are 6 and 3. So 6 3s are 18. So 18 is the answer. Now again 6 and 4. The numbers are 6 and 4. So the answer is 6 4s are 24, that you have to write down here. Now in this box 5 and 6. 5 6 are 30. Like this way you have to write down the multiplications of table. Now in this box again what you want to do? One number from rows and second number from column. So 7 ones are 7. The numbers are 7 and 1. So 7 ones are 7. Now 7 and second number is 2. So 7 2s are 14. Then after one number is 7 and second number is 3. So 7 3s are 21. That is the answer. Then after 7 and 4. So 7 4s are 28. Now in the last box 5 is there and 7 is there. So 7 5s are 35. So this is known as the table multiplication. Now what about the third one? See here the number is 8 and here the number is 1. So write down 8 ones are 8. Now in this box one number is 8, second number is 2. So 8 2s are 16. So we have to write down 16 here. Now 8 is same and another number is 3. So 8 3s are 24. Now one number is 8, second number is 4. 8 4s are 32. And in the last, number 5 is there and number 8 is there. So 8 5s are 40. Now let us complete this row. Number is 9 and another number is 1. So 9 ones are 9. Then after in the second one 9 is same and another number is 2. So 9 2s are 18. So your answer is 18. Now one number is 9 and in the column 3 is there. So 9 3s are 27. Then after 9 is there and another number is 4. So 9 fours are 36. And in the last 9 and 5 is there. So 9 fives are 45. So this is the table multiplication. Now in this box, one number is 10 and another number is 1. So 10 ones are 10. Then after 10 is same and another one is 2. So 10 twos are 20. Then after in this box 10 is same and 3 is there. So 10 threes are 30. Then after 10 multiplied by 4. 10 fours are 40. Then after 10 and 5 is there. 10 fives are 50. So this is the table multiplication. Now here which number you have to do the multiplication? We have to do the multiplication of 11 and 1. 11 ones are 11. Then after in this box we have to do the multiplication of 11 and 2. So 11 twos are 22. Then after in this box 11 number is there and 3 is there. So 11 threes are 33. Then after in this box number 11 is there and number 4 is there. So 11 fours are 44. And then in the last 11 fives are 55. After that 12 is there and 1 is there. So 12 ones are 12. Then after 12 multiplied by 2. 12 twos are 24. Then after 12 threes are 36. Then number is 12 and 4. So 12 fours are 48 and 12 fives are 60. So you can see here how we complete our this table. If they were given any different numbers to you and you have to complete the table, what do you want to do? You have to take one number from rows and second number from the column and do the multiplication of that both number. Then you are getting the answer of that box. Now let us start our next topic. That is the multiply. Now here what do you want to do? Here we have to do the multiplication. Multiplication of what? 66 multiply by 28. Now here we have to do the multiplication of the numbers which is 2 by 2. So here first we will start the multiplication by 8 and 6. 8 6 are 48. So 8 we have to write down here and 4 in the carry. Now 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 4. That is the 52. So this is the multiplication of 66 multiplied by 8. Now we have to do the multiplied by 2. Now you can see here 2 in the place of tens. That's why we have to put 1 0. And after that we are going to start the multiplication. So 2 6 are 12. 2 we have to write down here and 1 in the carry. Now then after 2 6 are 12 and 12 plus 1 30. Now do the addition. 0 plus 8 8. 2 plus 2 4. 5 plus 3 8 and 1 we have to write down as it is. So your answer is 1848. Let us see the next example. In this we have to do the multiplication of 98 multiplied by 79. Now again in this question we are just going to start the multiplication of 9 and 8. So 9 8s are 72. 2 we have to write down here and 7 we have to write down in the carry. Then after 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 7, that is the 88. Now we have to start the multiplication by 7. But 7 is in the place of tens. So first we have to put 0 and then after we have to start the multiplication. So 7 8s are 56. 6 and 5 in the carry. Then after do the multiplication of 7 and 9. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 5, that is the 68. Now do the addition. 2 plus 0 2. 8 plus 6, that is the 14. So 4 we have to write down here and 1 in the carry. 8 plus 8 16 and 16 plus 1 17. So 7 we have to write down here and 1 in the carry. Now 1 plus 6 7. So the answer of 98 multiplied by 79 is 7,742. Let us see the next one. In this we are going to do the multiplication of 269 multiplied by 487. Here we have to do the multiplication of 3 digit by 3 digit. Means they were given in both the side 3 digits. So again we have to start the multiplication from unit place. Now 7 in the unit place, so we are not supposed to write down the 0. We are just start direct multiplication. 7 9s are 63. 3 we have to write down here and 6 in the carry. Now 7 6s are 42. 42 plus 6, 48. 8 we have to write down here and 4 in the carry. Then after 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4, that is the 18. Now we are going to start the multiplied by 8. 8 in the place of tens. That's why we have to put first 0 and then after we are going to start the multiplication. Now we are putting 0. Now as it is we are doing the multiplication. 8 9s are 72. 2 we have to write down here and 7 in the carry. 8 6s are 48. 48 plus 7, that is the 55. So 5 we have to write down here and another 5 that we have to write down in the carry. Then after 8 2s are 16 and 16 plus 5, that is the 21. Now we have to start the multiplication by 4. But you see 4 in the place of hundreds. And in hundreds, how many zeros are there? In hundreds, 2 zeros are there. So first we have to write down 2 0 and then after we are going to start the multiplication. 4 9s are 36. So 6 we have to write down here and 3 on the carry. 4 6s are 24 and 24 plus 3, 27. 7 we have to write down here and 2 on the carry. Then after do the multiplication, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Now do the addition. 3 plus 0 plus 0, 3. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. So 0 we have to write down here and 1 on the carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. So again 0 and 2 on the carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. And 4 plus 7, 11. 1 we have to write down here and again 1 on the carry. 1 plus 2, 3, and then after we have to write down 1 as it is. So 13, that is the answer. So the answer of the multiplication of 269 multiplied by 487 is 1,31,003. Let us see the next one. In this we are going to do the multiplication of 432 multiplied by 598. Again we are going to start the multiplication of 8 and 2. 8 2s are 16, 1 on the carry. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. 25 and 2 on the carry. Now 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2, 34. Now we have to do the multiplication by 9. But 9 in the place of tens. That's why we have to put first one 0 and then start the multiplication. 9 2s are 18, 1 on the carry. 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 1, 28. 8 we have to write down here and 2 on the carry. Then after 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 2, that is the 38. Now we have to start the multiplication by 5. But 5 in the place of hundreds, and in hundreds 2 zeros are there. That's why we have to first 2 0. We have to put first 2 0 and then after start the multiplication. So 5 2s are 10, 0, again 1 in the carry. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1. That is the 16, 6 we have to write down here and 1 on the carry. 5 4s are 20 and 20 plus 1, that is the 21. Now do the addition. 6 plus 0 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 8, 13 and 13 plus 0, 13. So 3 we have to write down here and 1 on the carry. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 0, 30. So 3 here and 1 on the carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 1 on the carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And 2 we have to write now as it is. So the answer of the multiplication of 432 multiplied by 598 is 2,58,336. I hope you understand this all session. So do more and more practice of the multiplication. Thank you.